So, my kids have learned all these sight words. What do I do next?
Well, ideally at this point in kindergarten, your kids should have learned all of their letters and their sounds. Do they know that?
So do you guys know all your sounds?
Yes, but I'm not your kid. I'm your niece. And I'm your nephew.
Shh, this is for you two. But I don't believe you. What letter and sound is this?
That's an S, obviously. And the S makes a sound.
Good. Just checking.
Well, it's great that they've learned their letters and sounds. It's also great that you're teaching them their sight words.
Yeah.
But now we need to learn how to blend those sounds together to make words. So we'll start with CVC words. Consonant, vowel, consonant words.
Wait, what are consonant, vowel, consonant words?
I know, Dad. They're A, E, I, O, U. They make the long vowel sound, which is their name, and the short vowel sound. For example, I makes the I sound and the I sound. I. And consonants are every other letter.
Okay, so my kids know the differences between consonants and vowels. QTS, you're hired.
One of the most important ways to blend CVC words is to use our bodies to do so. Some schools, they use their shoulder blades going k, a, t, cat. Some other schools use their fingertips like b, a, t, bat. But Jose Antonio Vargas uses their arms, so that's what we're going to do today. All right, let's blend cut.
Cut. Cut.
Make sure there's shoulder, elbow, wrist, and slide down. Okay, next one. All right, let's blend mat. Ready? Mat.
Mat. Mat. Mat.
Good. Fun.
Fun. Fun. F is for friends who do stuff together. U is for you and me. N is for anytime here and not all down here in the deep blue sea. Scarlet, try. Sit. Mop. Sip. Sip. Read and write around the room.
The first thing I do is always the same.
I pick up my pencil and write my name.
Get going. So it's not dog. What is the dog doing?
Sleeping.
But you're looking for what type of word families? App family, am. So what's like sleep that a dog can do? He takes a...
Nap. Nap, nap, nap.
So when they're all done, they get a cheer. Hamburger cheer. Hands out.
Not yet. Not yet. Well done. Good job. word dominoes. Dominoes is the fastest person to run out.
All right, Seth went first. Putting down sat and rib.
Rib.
So this one has rip and rib, but we're trying to match the ending sound instead of the beginning sound. Matching the ending.
Wait, it has to be the...
Sat, back. Good.
E.T. E.T. Is there an E.T. somewhere? No. Ooh, bit.
Okay, come here, Tyler.
Wait, no. I gotta go. You can't go. Wait, I can figure it out. I won. Oh, yeah.
Oh, you're mad.
Hey, try a bite.
You Uncle Gary did. Okay?
Uncle Gary, we're gonna be on a... Let's play Toy Seeker.
All right, you guys, close your eyes. All right, open.
Where'd you put them?
Okay, now, which word first?
J.
Okay, check. All right, put it back.
Rat.
Put it back. Seth, you put it back.
Oh.
Put it back to make it challenging so you guys have a hard time finding it.
Sat. Dig. Did it!
Yes.
QTS, you guys saved the day again.
Yeah! The bare necessities of the bare necessities.